A40 headset. I got it around Christmas time, last Christmas, and I come home today and it's making a weird ass noise and I don't know what's wrong. And if you're familiar with this noise, and you could help me out, that'd be much appreciated. The headset cord that goes from the headset to the mix amp is what is causing the noise. That's all I know. I tried unplugging everything, replugging it in. I don't know what's wrong. I updated the firmware. I just recently did. Still don't know what's wrong. If you could help me out, it'd be much appreciated. Thanks.